Good morning everyone. Today we are going to look into iterators. This is a advanced Python concept that allows for efficient looping and memory management. They provide a way to access element of a collection sequentially without exposing the underlying structure. So I just want to define that this is a basic list that is there, my list 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now if you see, the type of list is the type of this is list, and if I just do print my list, I will be getting all the elements 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I will try to convert this into an iterator. The same thing, so iterator is equal to itr my list, and now when I print this, I will be getting, as you can see, class list iterator. Now if I print this iterator, if I just try to get the iterator, I will just get something like a list iterator. If I want to print this iterator as well, I will be just not able to get anything. I'll be just getting a list iterator. So it is something very different from a my list, where my list you can easily get all the elements, but to print out an iterator you need to do a step. So the step is like here you have to do element by element, iterate through all the elements step by step. So now if I do next iterator, then I will be getting 1. So I need to keep doing this a couple of times, so it is going to go through the different list that you can see. If you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is going to continue. So 3, when I keep running it, 4 5 6, and now when I run this, it is going to give me an error because the 6 was the last element, so it is giving an error that this is the exception that it is throwing out, stop iteration. So now this is the error that it is throwing out, but to programmatically handle this, we are using the try catch method that is there. So now if I just do this, I will do iterator is equal to my list, and now I am going to run this. So this is just printing the next iterator. We are just putting it in error handling method with a try and accept, and after the 6th method it is going to give me this. There are no elements in the iterator. So let us start running this. First it is going to be giving 1 2 3 4 5, and then it is going to give us 6, and then last one, it is not going to give us an error, it is going to give us a message that there are no elements in the iterator. Similarly, we can do this step using a for string iterator. So when we put my string is equal to hello, then we define this string iterator, and then we can get this. So if I print this, we'll get H and E. So we can keep using this. When you keep printing this, you will get the next word. So this is being used like this for your any specific project. So this is a very different type of data structures, and mostly it is used for error handling, and you saw the use case that is there. So to learn more, see the next video when you're talking about generator as well.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.